There are a couple of showers that we are tracking. No rumbles of thunder, at least not as of yet, according to our radar, but it's a possibility as we go through the evening hours, especially along the beach, and put it into motion. It's mostly pushing off from south to north, and we are continuing to see some of those showers and thunderstorms, this time much stronger showers and storms, some of which have been severe over portions of North Florida and South Georgia, all associated with a front, which will make its way through the region. That'll really be driving our temperatures down significantly as, again, we go through the overnight tonight into the day tomorrow. So your Vipercast now, let's go ahead and put it into local motion, this radar and satellite, and give you an idea of where these showers and thunderstorms are going to be heading as we go through the next 24, 36 hours. By tonight, 11 o'clock, that line begins to make its way into the region and then eventually makes its way through by about 3:30 tomorrow morning. Watch out again. Make sure you have a way to get those weather alerts if any are issued, especially in the overnight hours tonight into the early morning hours of tomorrow. We see a couple of showers make their way on the back side of that front, but for the most part, that'll all just be more garden variety stuff, light stuff that we're going to be picking up, maybe additional rainfall. This is not a flooding threat because the showers are quick movers, but there is a possibility for some ponding on the roads if you run into any one of those particular showers, especially the heavier ones. Vipercast shows that by our Friday night into our Saturday morning, things are looking pretty good. Maybe a few of those cold weather clouds over the Gulf Stream, which of course is still sitting at a fairly warm level. 75 degrees is the temperature at Jupiter Inlet at this hour. Morning lows tomorrow morning are sitting in the 40s and 50s. It all depends on how quickly that cool air gets to us. That'll determine how cold our temperatures are. So the northern areas are going to be the cooler, certainly, areas as we go through our morning tomorrow morning. And then as we go through tomorrow afternoon, not very warm, especially not compared to today. Highs today, we're sitting in the lower 80s. Tomorrow, we'll be sitting in the lower to middle 60s in Jupiter, West Palm Beach. Mid to upper 50s, even some lower 50s in places like Okeechobee. Mid to upper 50s as you head out and about along the Treasure Coast. Your extended forecast then calls for those cool temperatures all the way into the first half of the weekend before we do begin to see a warm up as we go through our Sunday. Look at that low temperature, 41 on Saturday morning. Not record territory, but still very chilly. You want to break out the jackets as you head out to your afternoon plans and morning plans, especially on Saturday morning. Throughout the rest of the 7-day forecast, there is a bit of a warm up. Temperatures are going to rise back into the mid to upper 70s. Lows are going to be generally in the lower to middle 60s. With a chance for showers and isolated thunderstorms comes back into the forecast as we end things off. John, overall, very chilly to start and then much more seasonal as we end things off.